It's Simpol time, and this is Chef Tatong, and today magluluto tayo ng hindi lang isa, kung hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo, pero apat na fried chicken versions. Kaya let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha-ha.
This recipe is part of our Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Di ba uso ngayon ang mga chicken wing restos na only chicken wings? Pwede nyo to gawin sa bahay. Gagawa tayo ng apat na flavors na kaya nyong gawin using very simple ingredients. Kaya sisimulan na natin ang ating chicken wings. Let's start off with a very classic na fried chicken wings. And this recipe is so simple. So I am using 12 chicken wings, so around 1 1/2 kilos to ang dami nito. Okay? So, ano yung timpla natin? It's very simple. So, I will use 4 tablespoons of dato puti patis. Yan. And 2 tablespoons of dato puti vinegar. And i-mix lang natin siya. Yun lang yung marinate natin. Sobrang easy. It's best to marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight. Yan. And I'll put that aside. Yan. And eto naman, meron ako dito ang aking breading mix. Super simple din aking breading mix. Meron akong 1 cup of flour. Yan. And 1 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Gusto natin na mas marami yung cornstarch this time para maging sobrang crisp niya. Kasi when we put the iba-ibang flavor ng glaze, hindi siya madaling maging makunat, no? Hindi siya madaling mag-soften. 1 tablespoon of iodized salt, UFC iodized salt. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Meron din ang UFC ng garlic powder. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Yan. So, sobrang simple ang ating mixture. And it's ready. We're ready to fry. Sobrang simple ng ating recipe. What I will do here, I will just simply dredge my marinated chicken wings. Yan. Remember to marinate it properly. Drop into the hot oil. Yan. So when you drop your chicken into the hot oil, you drop it gently and away from you para hindi siya tatalsik sa'yo. You have to be sure that your oil is hot enough so it becomes crisp, no? Pag hulog mo ng chicken mo, immediately magki-crisp up na siya. Yan. And let's just check on our chicken. Look at that, oh. Yan. Very nice, very crisp. Very nice breading. So be sure that your heat is strong enough, no? Kasi yung nangyayari, as we add our chicken, bababa yung temperature. Kung hindi makahabol yung inyong burner, mangyayari, bababa yung temperature and kukulo siya, not in a good way kasi all the juices will be released into the oil. So, hindi siya magpa-fry, magsustew siya at mangyayari magiging soggy yung inyong chicken at natatanggal. That's the reason sometimes when you're frying your chicken, when you're doing your breading, natatanggal, natutuklap yung kanyang breading kasi the oil is not hot enough. It has to be very hot para pag drop mo, kakapit siya agad at maluto siya para mag-firm up. Our first batch of fried chicken is done. So, ito yung mga drumlets natin na inuna natin. Very nice color and very crisp. So, yan. Mabango and crisp. And let's work on our second batch of chicken, the wing tips. Yan. Just dredge in our flour and cornstarch mixture and drop into the oil. Yan. Very hot oil. Let's start with our glazes. So we're making 1 plain, just a plain version, and 3 glazes. So let's start with our Sriracha, no? Sriracha Glaze, which is so simple to do. Meron tayo, of course, Sriracha, hot sauce, Jufran Sriracha. We're using Jufran Sriracha. That's around 1/4 cup of Jufran Sriracha and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Yan, so spicy and sweet. And of course, salty because we're using 4 tablespoons of Silver Swan Soy Sauce and 2 tablespoons of butter. You just let that simmer. That's glaze number 1. On my glaze number 2, it's very simple as well. It's a soy garlic glaze, di ba? Medyo always masarap ang soy garlic glaze. Look at that, my chicken is done. Everything's so crisp. Yan. Beautiful. Yan. And I'll start on my second glaze. We're using 4 tablespoons of Silver Swan Soy Sauce, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, or you can also use garlic powder. Yan. And 1 tablespoon of dato puti vinegar, and 1/4 cup of water. Yan. And we just let that simmer until it, thickens into a syrup. And 6 pieces each. Yan. So we start off with our plain. Our Sriracha Glaze is done, so we put 6 pieces here. Wow. And while we're waiting for the soy glaze to thicken, I will do my last, which is the simplest of all, of course. Just a simple sweet chili glaze using Jufran sweet chili sauce. Yan, wala na tayong idadagdag. Just that. 1/4 cup of that. And our sweet chili sauce is already simmering. And we just add very simply. Sobrang bilis lang natin. We add our chicken wings. Jufran chili wings. And to finish our soy garlic glaze, we add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Yan. To give it a nice sheen and a nice nutty flavor. And we add our last batch of chicken wings. Ito na siya. Para makomplete na natin yung ating wing platter. Yan. Hindi ba kayo natakam? Beautiful chicken wings with 3 different glazes, 4 different flavors kasama yung plain. Try this at home. Kain yung gumawa nito, ang ating chicken wing platter. Of course, tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto gaya nito. Basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!